Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Kelly Burgess. She's the Family and Consumer Sciences Agent in Allen County. Good morning, Kelly.
Good morning, Kristi.
Well, I'm so excited that you're on this week because it is National Farmers Market Week, and you are here to talk to us about a garden favorite, and that's tomatoes.
Yes, we love our local farmers markets. They can be found all over Southern Kentucky. I have a couple of items that I would like to show you. Some of my favorite veggies from a farm located in Allen County called Need More Acres Farm. So we have several varieties of tomatoes that we'll be talking about today. And you'll also see some cherry tomatoes that are from Flourishing Herbs Farm, which is also located in Allen County. But I wanted to kind of talk about the diversity among tomatoes. Even those ones that I just showed, you could see different sizes and colors. But tomatoes really belong to, we can categorize them in three families as far as what we're going to use them for in cooking. So the first one is a large tomato, which is our classic. We think of as a slicing tomato. So this is for sandwiches. It tends to have a little bit more seeds. That's a little bit about that one. The next variety is Roma tomato, which is actually a type of plum tomato. So that's kind of the next one. They tend to be a little more oblong, kind of medium size. And then finally, we have cherry tomatoes, and those are the smaller ones that tend to be a little bit sweeter, less seeds. They're great just to eat as a snack.
And Kelly, like you said, we love our tomatoes, and the great thing is they are so versatile, and there's so many ways that we can use them in our kitchen.
Yes, I'm so excited to share some ideas for how you can use tomatoes. I know that tomatoes tend to be something that picky eaters are a little bit iffy about most of the time due to texture. So maybe experimenting with some of these different ideas and different types of tomatoes, they do have different textures, could help introduce them to more people. So my first idea is a salsa or dip. This is something that you can put on top of a cracker. You can have it as a scoop with a chip. So combining that with a crunchier texture can sometimes make it more acceptable to picky eaters. Another idea is having them with eggs. So this is a great way to squeeze in veggies at breakfast, whether it's in a salsa that you've made, crushed up somehow, or just as a slice if you like it that way as well. Also, cold salads are a little bit similar to salsas, but we have a great Plate It Up Kentucky Proud recipe called watermelon tomato salad, which is a combination I wouldn't normally think of, but it is super tasty. Some other ideas are your traditional marinara sauce. So you might think about this with spaghetti. And this is something that you can easily make yourself by cooking your homegrown tomatoes and adding in some other ingredients. And I just love that tomatoes really fit into a variety of different cuisines. So whether it's Latin American style food, Italian food, or just American in general, there's a place for tomatoes.
And Kelly, we have so many recipes at the Extension office, and there's so many nutrients in tomatoes.
There really are. I wanted to talk a little bit about lycopene, which is an antioxidant found in tomatoes. And it's been shown that it may help prevent cancers and also other chronic diseases, which are definitely things that we want to protect our health from. They also contain potassium in amounts greater than potatoes and bananas, which actually surprised me to learn because we generally think of those as our potassium-rich foods. But potassium will help keep you hydrated. It helps your muscles to function well. And those are both things that we want to make sure we're helping our body with in the summertime especially.
Wow, Kelly. Well, thank you so much for being here today. If you are watching and have any questions on tomatoes, contact your local extension office. And we encourage everyone to find a way to support your local farmers markets right now at this time. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you have a great day.